gotta record Ruthie too.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Hello, Olivia. Go hold right there, by the way. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Hurry up! Take all the helium out!
Oh! Hello? It didn't work.
Why didn't it work?
I don't know.
Did you get the hole?
Yes, I did. Let me try again.
Right there.
Okay. Hello? It didn't work! What the heck? It doesn't work for me.
There is no explanation for this kind of humiliation. Oh, ow! Oh,
How come it doesn't work for me? I fail at this.
okay.
Hurry up. Just swallow it. Hello? It didn't work. What the fuck? I hate you, Sammy.
There's no reason to hate me. I am a good person. I'm a good citizen. Oh, lightheaded. Falling down.
Let me try.
There's like none left, Sam.
I can try.
Take a little. Take a little. Please.
Okay, here. Hurry up. The hole is right there.
Okay. I failed with that.
How am I supposed to?
Just take some. Just
am I
breathe it in. Breathe it in.
How am I supposed to do that?
You squeeze it in your
Hurry
mouth.
up! You're taking all the helium.
I have my finger over it.
Oh.
You gotta squeeze it. You gotta
Ow.
squeeze it in. You gotta squeeze it in. Put it on your mouth and squeeze in the helium.
Oh, we gotta be quiet. My mom's like freaking out.
Now squeeze it in and breathe it.
Hello?
Cover the hole. I'll just use it. Here. Let me have it. Let me have it.
How come you only know how to do
You
it?
guys aren't professionals.
Just breathe in the rest of it. I dare you.
That is the end of our story. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.